Ice Hauler, GMC, Cortez Resto Mod, GMC, Cheyenne, GMC. Not sure if it's the right year, 98, not sure. Should look good on the inside. We got a wire and fire deal here. Wire and fire. But notice something. Y'all don't know, this is Perch Williams' ride. He's got blue ice. The Cutlass is clean as all get out. Riding with the 350 Rocket, maybe the 455, not sure. But this is going to be the hauler, I think. He calling it the Ice Hauler. But we're missing some fuel rails. Well, the crossover rails. I'm over here trying to dig this stuff out, make some sense out of this heads or tails out of this stock harness, which, in all honesty, man, they just about all the same. I'm gonna just take a quick gander at some of this stuff and tell you what it could and couldn't be. There's the AC stuff. I don't know nothing about AC. Alternator. This could possibly be oil pressure. Starter solenoid. Temp sender. Ground, which need the grounds now. Gotta have the grounds. Gotta have the grounds. No, this is AC. My bad, y'all. That's AC. And this is AC. Both of these is AC. Like I said, gotta have the grounds, but the problem I got is, you see everything's ran on the driver's side of the engine? It needs to be on the passenger side. And it's looped and all kind of stuff, man. It is, man, this was a TBI setup before. I can't see that. Yeah, but 6 O's in here. Got the 102 millimeter throttle body. Or is it the 98? I think it's the 98. A lot of this stuff we don't really need, like vent, valve, not necessary. Surprised they don't have EGR, but it's not there. They do got some nice long tubes underneath here. Look like they worked out well. Gotta get a different dipstick. And this coil pack also. Yeah, and then this is oil pressure. To be honest, I could plug that right into the, if that oil sending unit's back there like this one, plug it right in. What's this other stuff? I'm trying to make heads or tails out of some of this. Not sure, you know, but you gotta have the grounds, man. They're so important. And I want to say this was a ground too. And I'm trying to dig out, like I said, some of these wires, make some sense out of what they are. But it's still a 3-wire setup. You know what I mean? Constant hot, ground, ignition. Constant hot, ground, ignition. Just gotta patch into the existing, like this. This is your ignition wire set up, and this is your tack. And then over here, there's a bunch of unnecessary needed stuff. But this is like this is your signal off the transmission signal. And then neutral safety switch. Map sensor, I want to say. No, I'm wrong. I am wrong, because this is transmission. This is the transmission 4L60 plug, which you're not going to use none of that. And looks like it's all chewed up anyway. Good gracious. All right, yeah, y'all see it. GMC Chevrolet OBS chump. Wire and fire, wired, battery, starter, and fuel pump. And she should be firing up, y'all. She should be firing up. So, y'all seen him on the videos there. Perch Williams. Check it, check it, check it. 6.0 Phase 2. 4L80E. Called be the Ice Hauler, he said. Gotta do something different here with the injector plug, Multec, EV1, EV6. We'll make something happen. Ain't no big deal there. Cause and then look like he got the big 102 millimeter throttle body, drive-by cable. He's got the China Boy harness, mass airflow, battery over here, which might make this a little easier as far as wiring up the fans and stuff versus computer being over here, battery being over there, you know. So it just depends on how the harness was laid out when it was made. So this was made to lay out this way, and the others have been laid opposite. So some are laid out to be over here, some are laid out to be over here. That's just how it works. Closer to the battery is better as far as tying in hot spots, you know, hot wires and stuff like that. But you still got to run your ignition source back to the truck. What we tried to do is source out all of the factory sensors and wires to where this hopefully they will have the gauges, stock gauges too. So we'll see. Got the green machine up on the lift doing the thing. And she got squirrely yesterday. A little bit today. She's, you know, squatting right up. So
that's what happened. This side.
Let's get it.